Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up Google Wallet and NFC payments on Motorola Razr 70. So first scroll from the top and find NFC, enable it, and then open the NFC settings. Right here we have Use NFC, enable, and right here we have contactless payment. Then right here Google Wallet, select it. Then find the Google Wallet. You don't have network connection, so give me a moment. Okay, now we need to verify. And right here just log into your Google and add your card. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.